Hello and welcome to everyone. Today we will discuss future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to express ongoing action at a specific time in the future. Future continuous tense mung alayus ko chikalayu jari वक्त बेयो खास टाइम के मुस्तकबिल फ्यूचर के मूंग डिस्कस को एक्सप्रेस को देता फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस में यानी मुस्तकबिल की जारी कर बेयो खास टाइम के चिकला मूंग ज़ाहिर देता फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस में फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस चिकम उर्दू पे चांद दे आगा रहा होगा रहे होगी रही होगी future continuous tense rule फर्स्ट फॉर्म वर्ब अखसर अब ing उसकी मतलब फोर फॉर्म हेल्पिंग वर्ब दी अखा shall be will be positive structure the phrase the future continuous tense. Firstly, we will use in positive structure subject, then we'll use shall be or will be, then first form of verb plus ing, then object. Positive structure की बमूंग उसको subject shall be या will be, again about first form of verb, again about object. The verb सर खामा खामूंग ing उसको. जमुक सर the example. He will be playing cricket. He is amongst the subject. They will या shall. Again about be. Again about play. Play सर ing playing cricket. He will be playing cricket. वो cricket खेल रहा होगा. अगबा cricket कभी. अगबा cricket कभी. Second, we shall be eating the meal. Third, they shall be going to school. Fourth, Asif will be singing a song. Fifth, they shall be winning the match. Second is amongst a negative sentence. Firstly, we will use subject will, shall, not, be plus verb ing plus object. But negative के बमूंग उसको subject again about will, shall, again about not, again about be, again about first form of verbs ing, again about object. Example is among सरा he will not be playing cricket. वो cricket नहीं खेल रहा होगा. Second example is among सरा we shall not be eating meal. Third example is among सरा they shall not be going to school. Fourth example is among सरा Asif will not be singing a song. Third is among सरा interrogative sentence यानी सवाल या जुमले. Firstly, shall, will, then subject, then be, then first form of verb plus ing plus object, and the last sign of interrogation. We will must use sign of interrogation in interrogative sentence. The मुक्सा the example, will he be playing cricket? क्या वो cricket खेल रहा होगा? Second example is among sara shall we be eating meal. Third example is among sara shall they be going to school. Fourth example is among sara Asif will be singing a song. That was among sara future continuous tense. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next time. Thank you.